Hello guys, continue with these videos about Pfaff sewing machine. I had a little problem because this one was not down very well. So if you had the same problem, remember you need to come over here and unscrew this one. When you do that, you remember to hold like that. You need to hold all to make sure the pressure bar high is right. Just I had a little paper. I made a ruler like that, and I know it's around 17 millimeters. When it's high, no? This is important. And also, if you can see I spent all my Saturday cleaning this. My God. But in God's hands, this part is all that white grease or whatever by the years start to be here. In this part was a lot, so now it's better. I needed to clean all this. You know how I do, as you see in my videos. A little alcohol first, wherever alcohol, hand sanitize, a little in your hand, like that, just a little. And doing until all was full of that. Remember, the grease throughout, say, 30 years or something, start to be solidified or not have the properties anymore. So create some problems when I'm going to sew. And this is how we can, the small particles there is for that. And about here, in the line ball here, there are a spring, so you have problems there. You can use with this, take there and pull. Another thing is tell you that the screw for the pressure bar for the high, and there are another spring on here. This is for the IDT, interactive dual system. It's this one. You see that spring there? I'm checking it is good. But the thing is, it was really far, like that. So now when I play with this, patient, and in God's hands, all can be fixed. Also, the needle thread was not working, but you see here,